Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafiz. I will explain about the introduction and the theory about PCV. Okay, for the history, PCV first system were built during the World War II to allow tank engines to operate during deep fording operation, where the normal draft tube ventilator will have allowed water to enter the crankcase and destroy the engine. Okay, the theory about this positive crankcase ventilation (PCV), it is a system that remove harmful vapor from the engine and to prevent those vapors from being expelled into the atmosphere. Second, the PCV system does this by using manifold vacuum to draw vapor from the crankcase into the intake manifold. Then the PCV valve is one-way valve attached to the crankcase. Waste gas exit the crankcase through the valve but cannot be entered. Then when the fuel is burned in the engine, it produces gases that are the mostly vented out through your exhaust system. With PCV system, it can reduce harmful vehicle emissions. That's all. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Afifah binti Ismail. Today, I will tell you about the system diagram of PCV. The working principle is on your left. At first, the air is go flow inside the breathing line before it goes inside to the engine. And then the air will go flow to the PCV valve. Inside the PCV valve, the harmful gases of air will be reduced. So the unharmful gases will go inside to the chamber or the intake. When the engine is not running, the PCV valve is closed. And when the normal operation, the PCV valve is open. Vacuum passage is large. Then the last one, when you accelerate off high load, the PCV valve is fully open. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurshifa binti Mat Sharif, and these are the advantages and disadvantages of using PCV in a vehicle. The advantages are it eliminate emission, keep the system free moisture, and help engine damaging sludge from forming. And the last one is to protect the engine in case of a backfire. And while the disadvantages, when installing the wrong PCV valve, it can be result in lean mixture or rich mixture. Number two is the sludge inside the valve can restrict and block of vapor, and due to that, it will make the crankcase pressure can blow out gasket and seal and creating oil leaks. And the last one is the clogged PCV valve can increase emission and fuel consumption of the car. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Farid Farhan. I would present the opinion on the PCV and improvement on the PCV. Okay, in our opinion, the technology should develop more practical design, including the size and functionality. Also, the PCV should reduce the emission by set the strict regulation of the requirement. And also, the car service should be done based on guideline. As we know, vehicle engines come with different size, and the PCV should be designed in more practical way so it can be fitted or installed into various type of vehicle. Also, the improvement that we should make on PCV is to increase the diameter size of the PCV to prevent blockage in the system. Also, the material of the PCV also should be improved, as the leak is always occur when the pressure is too high. Okay, as we know, the diameter of PCV is quite smaller, and this smaller diameter can produce blockage in the system, and with the blockage, higher emission and higher fuel consumption is occur. So the diameter should be increased in order to prevent emission and fuel consumption to go higher.